Come stand next to me. Sergei, which of us looks younger? Well?
You do, of course.
Ah, there, you see.
You're a real writer now, and I'm an actress. I think there should be a love story.
Your mother adores you.
She's jealous. She's already set against me and the play because she's not acting in it and Nina is.
I am an actress. My costume bills alone are enough to ruin me.
What's the gossip on him?
You are the most brilliant writer in Russia.
What are you writing?
An idea for a short story.
Fame seeker, wildly jealous, needs a haircut, perpetually unhappy.
I'm in mourning for my life.
I just never let myself go like some people. I could play a girl of 15.
Why are you so nervous?
I'm afraid to perform for your mother. Cold, empty, horrible.
My thoughts exactly.
That's it, the play is finished. I've had enough! Enough!
What did I do?
Have you seen Nina?
She went to the lake with Boris.
What does it feel like to be famous?
I hope you're not flattering him.
You look at me as if I'm a stranger.
Don't follow me.
You have lost your mind.
I don't care! Enough!
He's challenged me to a duel.
Look into my eyes. Don't abandon me.
You can't sit around always hoping that something will happen.
Remember how good it was before?
Stay here with me.
It's about knowing how to keep going in spite of everything.